Okay, so in this question, point charge Q is fixed at a point A, and this is a hollow grounded, so you can ground it. It is a grounded conducting spherical shell of radius r, and at a distance A, Q charge is kept, and they have asked force on sphere. So we can see that because of Q charge and it is conducting spherical shell, so there will be a negative charge appearing and sphere will be attracted towards this. So the force will be from A to C on the sphere because they have asked force on the sphere. Okay, so CA options are obviously wrong. And another thing is that we can go into the image problem and calculate the exact value, but there is a trick that if this Q comes to C, so that means if A point goes to C, so it will become completely symmetrical and it will be, the sphere will be attracted towards the center. That means there will be no net force. So that means if I put A is equal to 0, I should get the force to be 0. So between them, if I put A is equal to 0, this will become 0. So this is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.